I'm Michelle and this is Alex. Today we're retelling the story of All I Want for Christmas is Rain, written by Cori Brooke and illustrated by Megan Forward. So let's take a look inside. My parents are farmers. We needed the rain. So I went to town on a long shiny train. My mission was clear. I had hatched a great plan. I would ask for help from the great bearded man. "Hello, Santa," I said. "My name is Jane. I live on a farm. My wish is for rain. Our dams are dry and our pastures are brown. This big lack of rain has got us all down. The farmers need help and I thought of you." Santa said, "I'll see what I can do." As Christmas approached, the sun shone bright. Would Santa grant my wish on Christmas night? When I woke Christmas morning, I heard a sound, a splashing and dripping that echoed around. In a flash, I skipped around the tree, past all the presents waiting for me. I ran outside and what did I see? Rain! In the dam, on the pastures, on me! I danced with the water, so cool on my skin. My mum and dad and brother soon joined in. Our hearts overflowed in the Christmas rain, the life-giving gift from Santa to Jane. So, I hope you enjoyed the book. Thanks for watching.